Hello there. This is an honest review of BlendJet. I've had a few now. This is my third or fourth one. Warning, I have band-aids on my finger, by the way. Ignore it. This is BlendJet number 3 or 4 now. I've had problems because of the cleaning for these. There's a gasket down here underneath this container, and there's also a gasket here. This is the lid to this. And also, just so you know, they say on the ads that it won't work if you don't have the cover on it. That's not entirely true. Don't hit the blend button. This button here with the little spiral, that's their logo. That button will turn it on, but I don't recommend you turn it on until you have the lid on it. And also make sure you clean the gaskets as many times as you can. It's a really good idea to do that. That way any food or any liquid or food or any kind of residue that gets underneath the gasket can eventually cause problems. So you have to push the gasket in all the way around, and then you can put it on top and screw it in. I'm gonna actually, you know what, I'm gonna actually put some collagen into this so I can show you this thing in action. I'm not gonna bother putting any ice cubes in because it's a little bit cold and I don't really feel like making a chilly drink. So I'm just going to put in 2 scoops of chocolate collagen powder, and then I'm going to blend this so you can see this in action. So there's 2 scoops of collagen powder. Actually, you know what, I'll put in 1 ice cube just so that you can see that too, because everyone's always saying that it can go through ice cubes. So let me put an ice cube into this. I'm going to just do that right now. And like I said, I'm going to put in 1 or 2 ice cubes. I don't want to make this super cold. Maybe 2 ice cubes. I'll put 2 ice cubes in, and now I'm going to cover it up. And when you start it, it goes on its own for a little while, and then it shuts itself off when it's done. So I'm going to let this run, and you'll see this light up when it's ready. So it's going to come on a little bit, and I'm just going to let it run on its own and shut itself off. This is exactly what will happen. And when the batteries die, or when the batteries on its way to be out, this will be almost all purple. So you need a fully charged battery, and red means there's either something wrong or it's not screwed in properly. I left this note on for you guys to see it because it's really hard to see this arrow. I don't know if you can make the arrow out that the sign's pointing to, but this arrow is supposed to line up with this arrow. And yes, I know these are not lining up, but for some reason, I don't know what it is with me. Every single BlendJet I get does not line up properly, and I'm not really sure why, but that's the BlendJet. Here's the drink. You can also then open it up, and the best way to clean it is to put water about up to here and put some soap in, and then you just blend it again and let it blend, and it self cleans. But remember, take the gaskets out of the top and bottom to clean under them. I love the BlendJet. It's wonderful. I hope you guys like it too. It's a good purchase. I haven't had the best luck, but their customer service has been very, very helpful. So I think I paid 40 bucks in total for the blender, and it works wonderfully. So I wholeheartedly recommend it to people. Anyway, if you get one, I really, really hope you like it. Take care. Cheers.